Hi everybody, it's Carla here, just vlogging life with another quick DIY home tutorial. So since COVID-19, I've been pretty much doing my own nails at home, and I'm not too comfortable yet with going out to a nail salon. So these nails have been really coming through for me, and I've really been enjoying doing my own nails at home. The way I've been ensuring that the set lasts is to do like a little light manicure on my nails, which is cut my cuticles back, push them back where needed. I make sure I have a clean nail bed, and even after I clean my nail bed, probably like with a Dawn dishwashing soap, because Dawn is good for removing oils. I will also use like an alcohol rub on the nail bed to remove any other excess oil that may be on the nail. And yeah, it's been holding up really well and I really enjoy it. Now with this brand, what I've learned to do is use like a light top coat on the nails. You'll see me applying that top coat on the nail. That preserves the color that is on the nail. You see I have like a gold on, and then there's a marble color on my thumbs, but that clear top coat really preserves the color of the nail, so there's not a lot of chipping of the color and things of that nature. Here's my promo code. You're welcome to use it. Also, make sure you push your cuticles back. That's been a problem for that first nail, but that nail pretty much gives me problems any other time. So yeah, I hope you like them. Comment below and let me know. So there you have it, a full set in under 2.5 minutes. I hope you like it. This is Carla, just vlogging life. Hit that subscribe button, the notification bell, like, comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!